Want Safari to remember your logins automatically? Here's how to set up Safari passwords on your iPhone so you never forget a password again. Like and subscribe for more iPhone and Safari tips. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Passwords. You will be asked to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once you're in, tap the plus icon at the top to add a new password manually. Enter the website, your username or email, and the password you want Safari to save. Tap Done when you're finished. To make sure Safari automatically fills in passwords, go back to the Settings home. Tap on Passwords, then Password Options, and make sure Autofill Passwords and Passkeys is turned on. Now, when you visit a login page in Safari, it will offer to fill in your saved username and password automatically. If you are creating a new account, Safari will even suggest a strong password and save it for you. That's it. Safari is now set up to securely store and autofill your passwords. Like and subscribe for more smart iPhone security tips and setup guides.